it's like to drive a old truck. You ever driven one of those old, like two-pilot old open cockpit planes? It's a lot like that. All your seals are bad. This I can't even get to shut. Air going everywhere. For some reason the motor's knocking. That's a new thing. I forgot my Snoopy goggles. Gotta get a set of them. We're back in the Mazda with a follow-up video. Major upgrades since the last talk. There's now a radio in here. My electrical tape on tack fell down. Starting procedures, pretty simple. One pump. It's a standard Japanese feature. Let's roll. This manual steering. Truck calls for 195s for tire width, and I'm running 225s. Yeah, 195 bias plies that probably turn pretty easy, but this is doable though. We're on 225s, so that's about 30 more millimeters.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. My field audio recorder failed during this stretch, or I didn't turn it on. Hard to say, but either way you have to endure some voiceover. The Mazda has been fun and frustrating at the same time. As you can see in this video, I still have a gas leak issue, and there is a long list of things that have been done to get this truck roadworthy. Luckily it is all cheap. Thanks, Rock Auto. I assume the check is in the mail for the advertising. I'm currently running 20-weight-50 in this, which is perfectly in spec. However, I'm still not maintaining oil pressure when hot. It drops to about 10 pounds at highway speed and 0 at idle when hot. There's also a menacing knock when you try to cruise. It's fine coasting and accelerating. I'm thinking my main bearings are a bit shot, so this truck is going to the garage. I'm hoping to replace the main bearings without removing the head. If anyone is interested, I am not objected to doing a teardown and repair of the bottom end. Let me know in the comments below. Speaking of comments, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.